Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the issue of lookout notice which is being issued by the revenue department when the assessee attempts to evade some tax or there is huge tax liability against the assessee, or when the assessment proceedings are going on and the revenue feels that the assessee may abscond from the country. What are the conditions which should be complied with before not quashing the lookout notice against the assessee? This was the issue before the Delhi High Court in the case of Pratik Chitkara versus Union of India and others. This case has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 673 and the date of the judgment is 26th September 2023. In the present case, the assessee has attempted to evade the transactions worth rupees 300 crores by opening a bank account in the Hong Kong in the name of a company. The assessee has concealed existence of a company in the Hong Kong and the assessee didn't divulge the details of the company in spite of various requests. The assessee also attempted to wriggle out of giving the explanation in respect of these transactions, due to which the revenue was not taking back the look after notice which have been issued against the assessee. So the assessee filed the writ petition in the Delhi High Court that the assessee should be allowed to visit and go to the other country for his various type of activities like personal purposes or the business purposes. When Delhi High Court heard the matter, Delhi High Court was of the opinion that the present case is not a case which is detrimental to the interest of the country. The court said that there is no allegation against the assessee of siphoning of the public funds, which is the prime condition for issuing and retaining the look after notice against a person. Delhi High Court said that there is no criminal proceedings which have been initiated against the assessee. Delhi High Court said that the fresh penalty proceedings are still underway, and according to Delhi High Court, there is Office Memorandum 2021, the clause 6I of which says that the subject could not be detained, arrested, prevented from leaving the country until and unless there is no cognizable offence under Indian Penal Code or other penal laws. The court said that the originating agency can only impose some conditions for leaving the country on the subject, and the court relaxed the lookout notice in the form of intimation which should be given by the assessee while he is leaving the country and when he is coming back to the country. The court also imposed a condition that the assessee should give property worth rupees 40 crore as security to the income tax department. And with these conditions, Delhi High Court relaxed the lookout notice in the case of the assessee. As all we know that lookout circular is a very harsh condition which is issued in the case of a person when the department feels that the assessee may abscond from the country and can try to deceive the department by avoiding his tax liability. But this step should be taken only in a case where there are the remote conditions, and according to according to Office Memorandum 2021 clause 6I, there are some conditions which should be fulfilled. Like the court discussed in this case that there should be some non-cognizable offence under IPC or other penal laws. Without that, the lookout notice should not be issued against the assessee, and only condition which should be imposed against the assessee is that the revenue should be informed about leaving and arriving back into the country. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Pratik Chitkara versus Union of India and others, and this case has been reported in 460 ITR at page number 673. The matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 26 September 2023. Thank you, friends.